Today's our topic is converting fractional number to percentage. What is a fraction number that you have learned in the second chapter? The number that we can write in the P upon Q form, that is the fraction number. Now how to convert this fraction number into the percentage? Let us understand with some example. Here write 1 upon 3 as a percentage. Here 1 upon 3, that is the fraction number. Now we have to convert this number into the percentage form. So when we have to convert this fraction number into the percentage, we have to multiply that number with the 100. So here multiply 1 upon 3 with the 100. 1 multiply 100, it's a 100. So here 100 divide 3. Now divide 100 by 3. Your answer is 33, 1 upon 3 percentage. Let us take one more example. Out of 25 children in a class, 15 are girls. What is the percentage of girls? Now in this sum, the fraction number is not given, but the question is given in the word form. So we have to first identify that number. Here out of 25 children, means the total number of children, it's a 25. So the total number that you have to write in the below. After 25, 15 are girls. So that number you have to write above. Means the total number that you have to write the below, and out of that number that you have to write above. So the number becomes 15 divide 25. Now you have to convert this number into the percentage form. So the same concept, you have to multiply that number with the 100. 15 divide 25 multiply 100. Now here you can cut 25 4 is 100. So the remaining number is 15 multiply 4. So 15 multiply 4, it's a 60 percentage. So your answer is 60. Now let us understand the same concept examples from the exercise. Here the convert the fraction number into the percentage. The first one is given 1 upon 8. The same concept, you have to multiply that number with the 100. So multiply 1 upon 8 with the 100. 1 multiply 100, so the number becomes 100 divide 8. Now you can divide this number and get the answer, or if you know how to cut this, just like 100 divide 8, so we can write it's a 25 4 is 100, 2 4 is 8, 4 4 cut, the number becomes 25 upon 2. This concept you have already learned in the previous standard. Now divide 25 by 2. Your answer is 12.5 percentage. Now the second one, it's a 5 upon 4. The same concept, you have to multiply 5 upon 4 with the 100. So 5 multiply 100 divide 4. In the same concept, you can multiply 5 with the 100, so 500 by 4. Or if you know how to cut it, it is just like 25 4 is 100. Both are the right. Now your number becomes 5 multiply 125. Sorry, it's a 25, not 125. So 25 5 is 125. Next one, 3 upon 40. Now multiply 3 upon 40 with 100. So it's a 3 multiply 100 divide 40. 0 0 cut. Now either you can multiply 3 multiply 10, it's a 30 divide 4. So the same you can write it here. 15 2s are 30, 2 2s are 4, 2 2 cut, remaining number it's a 15, divide 2. Now divide 15 by 2, you get the answer. So your answer is 15 divide 2, it's a 7.5. Now fourth one, 2 upon 7, multiply 2 upon 7 with 100. So it's a 2 multiply 100 divide 7. So 2 multiply 100, it's a 200 divide 7. Now divide this 200 divide 7. So your answer is 28 4 upon 7 percentage. Now the question 3. Estimate what part of the figure is color and hence find the percentage which is colored. Now in that case, the number is not given. We have to find out what is the number. So here first one, the circle is given. We have to find out how many parts of this circle are colored. So here we can see that there are total 4 parts. So total that we have to write, it's a below. After these 4 parts, 1 it's a colored. So we have to write 1 above. So the number becomes 1 upon 4. Now we have to convert this number into the percentage. So we have to multiply 1 upon 4 with the 100. So the same 100 divide 4, 25 4s are 100. So answer is 25 percentage. Now for the second circle. In the second circle, we can see that there are total 5 parts. So total that you have to write below. Out of 5 parts, 3 parts are color. So that you have to write the above. So the number becomes 3 upon 5. So now 3 upon 5 3 upon 5 multiply 100. That is your number. Now 3 multiply 100 divide 5. So it's a 300 by 5. So now divide 300 by 5, you get the answer, it's a 60. Now the third one circle, there are total 8 parts. So total that you have to write the below. Out of 8 parts, how many parts are color? 3 parts. Again, we have to multiply with 100 because we have to convert this number into the percentage form. So we can write it as a 3 multiply 100 divide 8. So it's 300 by 8. Now divide 300 by 8, you get the answer, that is 37.5 percentage. Now let us understand how to convert the decimal number to percentage. For that, first, what is a decimal number? This concept also you have learned in the previous standard. We just revise it again. What is a decimal number? Decimal number, that means any of the number, just like 0.75. So it's a point. So that is your decimal number. 1.3. When we use the point, that number is called your decimal number. Now, when we have to convert this decimal number to percentage, first we have to convert this decimal into the simple form. How to convert this number into the simple form? Let us understand first of all. I am just giving 1 or 2 example. 1.3. Now, I want this number into the simple form. So how to do this? First write 13. After point, you have to count how many digits are there. It's a one digit. So put the 10 below. Means it's a 10. So that is your simple form. 13 divide 10. Let us take one more example. 2.56. First write it's a 256. After point, how many numbers are there? 1, 2. So put the 20 below. So your number becomes 256 divide 100. Let us take one more example. Point 32. First of all, write 32. After point, there are how many numbers? It's a 2. So put the 20 below. So your number becomes 32 divide 100. Now, how to convert this decimal number into the percentage form? The first step is you have to convert this number into the simple form. So, how to convert this decimal into the percentage form? Let us understand with example. Here, 0.75 is given. So, first we have to convert this 0.75 into the simple form. 0.75 means we can write 75. After point there are two numbers. So 20 below. So it's a 75 by 100. After then we have to multiply this number with the 100. So 75 by 100 multiply 100. 100 cut. Your answer it's a 75. So it's the 75 percentage. Now more example that we will discuss in the next session. Thank you.